Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you're new or if you are returning, but hi, my name is Jade, and in today's video I'm just going to show you guys how I curl my hair. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to use this Revlon, no, not Revlon, Remington wand, and it just looks like this. So it's skinny towards the top and then a little bit wider towards the bottom. Sometimes I use my flat iron to give myself some curls, but I'm just gonna use this today because this is the curling iron that I want to use. So yeah, let's get into it. Since it is a wand and doesn't have like a clip and it's more easy for me to burn myself, I'm just going to use this protective glove when I'm doing it. And another thing is I'm going to use some of this got to be spray, not a lot because this is very strong, but just a little bit to give us that hold, and then just a regular brush just to brush out my hair. As you can see, it was crimped before, so that's the look that I had before going on. But before I even wash my hair, because my hair is naturally curly, I'm just going to rock these curls for like a day or two and then wash my hair. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like before. And so yeah. this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it all the way to the end, you were a real one, you a G. But yeah, this is how I curl my hair. But I like it when these curls die down and it's a little more soft and not as voluminous as this. But yeah, this is essentially how I curl my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, join the family because we love to see that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.